Ever find yourself staring at a blank document, wondering how to start? Let me introduce you to your new best friend, Kartra AI. This isn't just any AI, it's a game changer for your content creation. Imagine having an AI that's trained in your business, understanding your brand, audience, and goals. Sounds too good to be true? It's real. Kartra AI generates personalized copy faster than you can brew your morning coffee. You set up your business profile, and boom! The AI uses this as your AI business setting to tailor content to your brand. You can tweak the settings for each prompt, ensuring every piece of content aligns with your message. Let's dive into the key features. First, it crafts personalized copy in seconds. You set your brand voice, target audience, and business goals, and Kartra AI delivers content that's just right for you. Next up, effortless email and SMS campaigns. Generate high-converting email broadcasts, SMS reminders, and landing pages with headlines that truly resonate. And don't worry about starting from scratch ever again. Kartra AI can generate full pages or fill in sections with compelling copy. It's seamless, working within Kartra pages and broadcasts to create content that truly converts. Now, let's talk about your competitive edge. Boost your productivity by spending less time on writing and more on business growth. Save time and money with first drafts in seconds, no costly copywriters needed. Increase your conversions with targeted content that speaks to your audience. Maintain brand consistency with content reflecting your unique voice and tone. And here's the kicker. There are no additional fees for using Kartra AI. Each Kartra account comes with AI usage limits that reset monthly. Create content with a click and get closer to launching your email marketing campaigns. But wait, there's more. Kartra isn't just about AI. You also get landing pages, online courses, membership sites, video marketing software with customized players, webinars, form builders, and so much more. Automate your customer journey with funnels and campaigns, drive email conversions, and manage affiliates with ease. Kartra is your all-in-one marketing solution. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the link below to get started and revolutionize your content with Kartra AI today.